Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to remix a snap from your camera roll. Before we start, check the link under this video for more Snapchat tips and updates. Now, let's open Snapchat and go to the story or snap you want to remix. Here, click on it and hold on the snap. You will see the remix snap option pop up, or tap the three dots here in the top right. The remix option shows up there too. Now you can start recording your remix. But here's the point, you can't upload videos from your camera roll to remix. Snapchat doesn't support that right now. But here's a trick. Play the video you want to remix on your laptop or second device and switch your camera view to rear. Then record the remix like that. When you're done recording, just tap and hold the record button, then hit send. It works just like a remix, even though it's from your camera roll. And that's it. If this helped, hit like and subscribe and check out our next Snapchat fix. Thanks for watching.